Hey everyone, we have Moi Soi Veg Hakka Noodles. So let's check out its review and recipe. So these are air-dried noodles, not fried one. And this 500-gram pack has MRP of 120 rupees. But we got it from Amazon with 27% discount for just 88. And the shelf life is 1 year. I have put the link in the description box. So this pack contains total 4 noodle cake. And 1 noodle cake is sufficient for 1 person. Now coming to the recipe. First boil water in a large pot. Add a little salt and then the noodles to the boiling water. Cook for 5 minutes until they turn soft and drain them in cold water. See, the noodles don't stick at all, they stay separate and they hold their texture perfectly, don't become mushy at all. Now heat oil in a kadai. First lightly fry the onion, then add carrot, mushroom, capsicum, cabbage, whatever veggies you like, and stir fry them on high flame for 2 minutes. The veggies should stay crispy. And then add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, then salt and mix. Now add the cooked noodles and add chili oil. If you don't have, skip it, and a little vinegar. Toss everything well on high flame, just about 1 or 2 minutes. Look how amazing the noodles turn out. Thin noodles, exactly like the ones you get in the market from Haldiram or Om Sweets. Same texture and feel. The taste is also really good. The noodles are soft but not sticky. So if you want to make tasty Hakka noodles, definitely try this. Subscribe for more. Bye bye.